Hello, everybody. Thank you for watching. I am on day one of my spring cleaning organization journey. So I am starting out with my closet and bathroom in my primary suite. So what I have, and this is Luna. Hello, Luna. I have a bag from Trashy. So this is the first time I'm using Trashy, but they will take things that cannot be donated, things that ThredUp will not take. So basically they will recycled fabric materials and reuse them, so they are not wasted and do not end up in landfills. I am also using some plastic storage. You can see my son already put some things into the plastic storage containers. They are not going to be filled with one shoe, but these are some of the plastic storage containers I'm using. This is a ThredUp box from an order I received. I've already started to fill it with things I'm going to send to ThredUp. So this is a ThredUp box I've started. I have a couple of boxes of acrylic organization sets from the Home Edit from Walmart. So I really love the Home Edit and I love their organization. So I will link the sets that I am using, and I will link other sets that I've used. The other thing that I'm going to be using is these Whitmore storage cubes, vacuum seal cubes. So I have this set and I have a second set that I'm going to be using just to help organize what I have. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning out things, a little bit of reorganizing things, and a little bit of just putting some things away seasonally. So stick around and we'll see where we get to. Okay, so this ThredUp box is ready to go. I need to put a label on it, but I will send it back to them and they will put the pieces up for sale, and I will make some money back from these items. So that's always an excellent thing. So to get a little bit of money back on some of the clothing items that are gently used. Okay, I wanted to give you guys a quick update on where my closet stands in this primary bedroom closet project. So we made a little bit of a dent in here. Still have a lot of work to do. I need to go through my purses and shoes. Yes, I'm a purse and shoe queen. And filter some of those out. I think a lot of those are going to get sent to ThredUp. I might offer some of those on the military spouse page, and we'll just see what happens. But yeah, so here's where we're at. A little bit of a dent made in it. Still need to do some work, but not too bad. Looking better than it did. All right, keep watching. And if you guys have any suggestions for organization, please let me know.